Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin traders look to CPI as BONK cheers Memecoin issuance. Your day ahead look for May 13, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your new morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Crypto bulls are taking a breather, leaving Bitcoin BTC $103,314.66 in stasis near $103,000 ahead of the U.S. April inflation data. Due at 8:30 a.m. With U.S. China trade tensions easing, markets are, for now, optimistic about a softer-than-expected inflation print, potentially stirring up calls for Fed interest rate cuts. This resulting risk-on sentiment could push Bitcoin to new highs and accelerate the ongoing rotation of funds into alternative cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin dominance rate, or the largest cryptocurrency's share of total crypto market cap, has slipped 63% from 65%, indicating growing interest beyond Bitcoin. An important point to consider amid all this is that Bitcoin has led swings in U.S. assets this year. Notably, Bitcoin peaked above $109,000 in January, weeks before the Nasdaq and dollar index reached their tops and entered bear markets, pricing the economic impact of rising trade tensions. Similarly, BTC's early April bottom at around $75,000 happened weeks before the selling in the dollar index climaxed near 92 in late April. Since then, the index has rebounded to 102, challenging its bearish trendline. See technical analysis. This price action raises a compelling question. Is Bitcoin evolving to be a leading indicator for U.S. assets, while being part of the U.S. exceptionalism story, as CoinDesk noted in March? If yes, then days of tracking Nasdaq for cues on the next possible move in BTC are past. Stay alert. CoinDesk's consensus is taking place in Toronto on May 14th to 16th. Use code DAYBOK and save 15% on passes. By Shorya Malva. When https://t.co/rnl8bxag6z launched 2 weeks ago, many dismissed it as another pump fund competitor that will be dead in a few days. Just like all the others have launched before it, but what does the data say? I had a chat with Let's BONK fund lead dev at Solport Tom today to get strategy. MSTR closed on Monday at $404.90, minus 2.68%. Up 1.07% at $409.22 in pre-market. Coinbase Global, Coin closed at $207.22, plus 3.96%. Up 9.55% at $226.88. Galaxy Digital Holdings, GLXY closed at $28.39, plus 6.37%. Mara Holdings, Mara closed at $15.95, plus 1.21%, up 0.94% at $16.10. Riot Platforms, Riot closed at $8.70, plus 2.59%, up 0.69% at $8.76. Core Scientific, CORZ closed at $9.88, plus 6.01%, up 1.92% at $10.07. CleanSpark, CLSK closed at $9.62, plus 4.57%, up 0.83% at $9.70. CoinShares Valkyrie Bitcoin Miners ETF, WGMI closed at $16.34, plus 5.08%. Semler Scientific, SMLR closed at $34.84, plus 0.14%. Down 0.46% at $34.68. Exodus Movement, EXOD closed at $54.30, plus 8.32%, down 10.22% at $48.75. Spot BTC ETFs, Spot ETH ETFs. Source, Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai. Holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron and DOT. Shaurya is the co-leader of the CoinDesk tokens and data team in Asia with a focus on crypto derivatives, DeFi, market microstructure, and protocol analysis. Shaurya holds over $1,000 in BTC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, Sushi, CRV, NEAR, YFI, SHIB, Doge, USDT, USDC, BNB, Mana, MLN, Link, XMR, ALGO, VET, Cake, AAVE, Comp, Rook, TRX, SNX, Rune, FTM, ZIL, KSM, ENJ, CKB, Joe, GHST, Perp, BTRFLY, OHM, Banana, Rome, Burger, Spirit, and ORCA. He provides over $1,000 to liquidity pools on Compound, Curve, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, BurgerSwap, Orca, AnySwap, SpiritSwap, Rook Protocol, Yearn Finance, Synthetics, Harvest, Redacted Cartel, Olympus DAO, Rome, Trader Joe, and Sun.